mistake with the hands of Richie Rivera. His big pass is read by
Take it. Oo, kita-kita yun.
Halalan with a fake pass. And a good fade. And it's a good three-point shot.
Okay. Look at that.
Wow, what a
Ball
move.
fake coming from Gio.
What's he gonna do? Kick to Sol.
Block! Block! Block!
Magnolia with the ball.
May timeout ka.
It's with Halalo. He'll take a three. Leaning forward. Oh! Shot Gio Halalo. World tied up at 85. 3.9 to go. Gio Halalo is the man of the hour.
His first action.
For the season. Halalan lead-in shot. Gets it to the post.
Almost a back
Wide
violation.
open. Yeah! 10:27 remaining. Halalan with his familiar.
On the play in.
Yeah, 10-3. Samantala Halalan.
Kita yun.
Halalan with a fake pass. Good fade.
Back on Lapid.
No action for Halalan. They tried to save it from going down. The shot now. Baroka circling around the neighborhood. Sends it to Halalan who launches and scores. Up the packet. Gio all the way. From the arc. Pulls up. Big pointer for Mountain Park. Halalan on the move with some daylight. High up the window. Big time basket. Halalan will attack. Pinipitan si Calvo. Sama pang foul. Halalan down the gun.
I like the decision of Gio Halalo. You know how he does it? He slices in the basket, but then he's looking to pass. He's trying to be
Manila pass boy. Binuksan na natin. Kapit sa atin ang new Cobra Vitamin C. Lakas ang proteksyon. Cobra, the #1 energy drink. Halalo! That hits by Gio, bridging the third and fourth quarters. So watching Sanggalang. Gio attacking. Not
because Ian Sanggalang got
trying to win the games that they can win.
Halalo. Beautiful find.
Halalo. Thought about the pass. All the way to the yard. They swing it around. Gio. Thought about the feet. Goes to the sideline. Halalo. In a foot race. Halalo. Oh, look at three. Ooh. Oh, look at that crossover.
There were 3 players from Magnolia who challenged him inside the painted area. Nakascore pa rin.
Out of all 5 field goals that they have in this game.
Well, that's exactly what we talked about in our games list, that they need to play as a team. They're number 4 in assists in the conference, averaging 22.4 points. Is because Wayne Selden is actually they're going to look for that shot again. If they can get their rhythm, taking those outside shots, maybe those will start falling in. But the game is tied. Hindi ni Selden, no? Medyo patulis.
How about that? Just because it's so well executed. Paulie gusto sumagot ng 3.
Oh, yeah. Lose possession. Here we go with Halalon.
And Gio will...
Nice pass.
Beautiful pass.
Lead here by Enlex. Oh, look
Gio Halalo! Third, pero kita mo naman yung balik na
at 7 3-pointers scored by Magnolia in this quarter. And Gio.
Sinayang yung pick.
Oh, that's a steal for Halalon. 2-on-1. Halalon. Of course, he goes to the piece to pushing. Halalon pulls up.
Supports itong Magnolia.
Another steal. Dalawa na itong agaw ni Gio.
Halalon from the corner. 7. That is blocked, and Gio will score again here. Abot, check break.
Now,
Halalon splits the D. Halalon with the left.
Calvin ang sentro.
Here's Halalon. To Baroka. Back out to Gio. Gio, the floater. He does not use it. Halalon all the way high off the go. Halalon attacks the middle, spins on Zelda. And the kill.
You have a very good point there, John. Importante talaga yung
Halalon sizing of the defense. Titirahan niya.
positive things on the court.
At kala mo walo yung paa sa bilis tumakbo. Halalon getting away.
Kami namang maganda pinapakita dito. Move. Oh!
That is a slap.
Cutting their losing streak as early as
Halalon gets it.
Ian Sanggalang. Parang hindi napitigil ng barangay.
Pull up jumper. Habang wala nang makakahabol.
He and
And that defense of Magnolia forcing that turnover. And then, kita mo, ang takbo dito. Takbo.
dami pa pinibigay ngayon. This was his contribution after that pass from Halalon. Look at this again. Halalon coming out of nowhere. Biglang inagaw yung bola. At ito yun, doon nagre-reklamo yata yung Magnolia coaches too na naghahanap ng sportsman-like or advantage. Halalon hanging.
Lalaro ng mahabang minuto.
Sumayaw sa F5 on the shooting clock. Wild on their shooting clock. The twist,
That's a
the
walk.
turn. Gio needs though. Gio may have gotten away with
Meron konting
scorer stable. I just wanted to be very sure. Halalon straight in. Halalon escapes. Happening. Gio fires at 3. Yeah. But if he sticks to it, 9 area. Good spin by Halalon.
Playing tag with Ian Sangalang.
Oh, the chess match. That's something we love. Wide open. Gio doesn't get the bounce. He gets the rebound on the second drop. Basketball. Halalon off the half remaining in the second quarter. Halalon. Game clock. Halalon. Halalon.
In the middle. Tries to sneak in. Rebound Franklin. Oh, Halalon took it away.
over itong si Gio.
Gio!
Tira ni Selden, no? Medyo patulis. Offensively and defensively by Magnolia.
Nada sa taas.
Pero medyo magulo rin kasi yung jump ball.
Saka sila na mismo yung dumidepensa.
And I know
Jumper drop in faith. It'll roll out. Halalon gets it. Goes back.
initially also he's known as a defender, a one-man press, but third, nakuha, nabigay kay Hal.
Everyone running to the ball.
And it's a 5-point game. Oh. Rebound taken by Halalon. Flips it up. Gets points a couple of possessions ago. Gio. He's so
Against Banquero, the layup will work.
Around Oftana. Halalon. Layup. Immediately misses here. Despite the nice setup. Ito yung tira ni Gio Halalon to give Oftana playing some good defense. The fake. And then the drive. What a shot. Oh! That is crazy. Halalon now looks away, drops it to Abueva. Basket is good.
Gio Halalon against Calvin Oftana. Oh, this is that three-point shot. He just threw it up there. Getting off the board, making that three-point.
Well, it is Sunday today. Then the dish. Abueva the finish might have gotten hit as well. 3 points already in this extra period. Naka-11 na itong Magnolia. Gio Halalon is the man.